Somebody asks, why do we use steam to clean? So, a little bit tip about the benefits of using steam to clean after construction. So, when you look, you will see that there is, can you see? I don't know if you can see it coming out, but there's a little bit of dust stuff over there. This is all in here, right? Okay. So this is how it looks like, right? Okay. So if we just use water, we could clean this out, right? But it's not sanitized. So whatever particles, whatever is on it, if you have allergies, all the extra stuff, you're still gonna smell it, you're still gonna breathe it in because it's not sanitized. So what we do is, the difference between us is that we sanitize the surfaces. So as you can see, it's easy for you to see on tiles, but the same thing on walls, right? So here we go. Okay, so now what we have here is a smooth, nice finish, and because we use the heat, it is already sanitized, right? At Eco Clean Flow, we also will sanitize it again, but we have 3 coats. When we clean, we sanitize 3 times. So that's just a sidebar. But so when you see what was here before sticking out, it is smooth. It has a glossy finish. So this is what you want, right? This is what you want. This is what you want. Okay? So this is the finished product, and this is not. This is not, right? This is finished. Okay? If we come here, we can see this is not. But this part, we just finished this part, but this is not finished. So this is some of the things that we look for when we provide in post-construction cleaning. We want to make sure that it's healthy and it smells fresh. You know, when you walk into a clean place, you don't want to smell chemicals. That's the one thing we don't want you to smell. We don't want you to smell chemicals after we finish cleaning. All right, thanks a lot. Hope this was helpful.